What's up, y'all? It's Liv here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and you haven't seen me before, hey there, how you doing? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can stay updated with all my new videos and see what I do next. But today, you guys, I am vlogging from my car, and we are here at Top Gun shooting range. I'm meeting up with Sanders Tactical Performance to get a private on how to shoot safely and how to do things properly with my guns. So if you guys want to see how good I did and you want to see the type of training that I received from them, then keep watching this video. But without further ado, let's just jump right into the video.
Choose your fighter. Fight.
Okay, you guys, so this is me walking in. As you guys can see, there's a lot to do. There's a lot of things you can rent. I also had to fill out the waiver form in the beginning before I could start anything, so that's what I'm doing now. If you're wondering what you could exactly rent from here, they have a lot of options. That you can do machine guns, you can bring your own guns, which I did specifically because I think you should practice with what you have. But yeah, it'd be nice to try other things as well. So here is a inside look of what their indoor shooting range looks like. It's actually very nice. I love how like deep it goes, but also the fact that it's pretty separated for social distancing as well. And then this was my target. I was ready to go. So right here, you guys, she's actually showing me the proper way to hold my gun. As a gun owner, you should already know this, but just in case, they make sure they go over the basics with everybody, which is really great. They just want to make sure that everyone knows what they're doing. But then also they're showing how to cock your gun back and of course how to pull the trigger. So she just wants to make sure she goes through all the basics, and then you're gonna see how I do.
It has begun! Round one, fight! Superb!
Boom! Headshot, yeah! Boom! Headshot! Take that, bitch!
Well done. Pay your respects. There is a new king.
Alright, so this was the result. Your girl got hella headshots. Okay, period. But now y'all are gonna see me load up my clip, and basically I'm showing you how to do it the proper way. If you think there's not a proper way, I swear to God there is, because the closer you get to the top, the more tension there is, so it gets a little bit difficult. So you want to practice getting your bullets in quickly, and of course, as a gun owner, you should already have a clip ready just for like any situation like home invasion, things of that nature.
Round two, fight! Excellent! test your strike.
Alright y'all, so right here she's telling me to try it one-handed, which was honestly easier than I thought it was gonna be, not gonna lie. So I went ahead and gave that a try, so now y'all are gonna see how that turned out. And this time, we're focusing on body shots.
Round 3, fight!
So here's an up-close look at all the shots that I did for the body. I think your girl did a good job. Okay.
Round 4, fight!
So now that I finished the body shots, I went ahead and started working on some more headshots.
Pull it back and do a thing. So you always want to double check and make sure. We thought it was empty, right? Like, oh, it's empty.
So right here she's explaining about the fact that you should check your chamber to make sure there's no extra bullets that are in there, because this one specifically actually got stuck inside my gun. So she was like, you should always double check, which you guys should.
But if you ever had like, a real life situation, you would just pull that side back like that and eject that bullet out. You might lose a good bullet. But if you don't have time, let me take the side back. I got time for that. Yeah, so you pull it back and let it pop out, and that'll normally fix your malfunction. Okay?
Final round, fight! Finish him! Fatality!
Alright, you guys, so that is all for today. Of course, I'm here at Top Gun, and I just finished my tactical training, and I think I did a really great job. So if you guys like this video and you like the way I shot and you like how I got taught by Shauna, leave me a big thumbs up. But until next time, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye.